The 26, it is invitation for all professional health in Aruba to come to my lecture about facial deformity and correction without surgery. So in this topic, we are speaking about how to correct deformity of the face, like underbite, like a class 2, which is mean that the chin is too much back, and the upper maxilla is too much forward. We fix it without surgery. A part of the topic is about the airway. So we find that expanding the palate and advancing the palate will give a lot of room to breathe better from the nose and from the oropharynx, from the back of the mouth. So that's help people who has apnea, who has OSA, problem of breathing, and who has a disorder of sleeping because of the problem of breathing. That's helped them a lot, and we find a lot of people who complained about snoring, that now they are much better sleeping and they start to see dreams, which was very difficult for them. With the help of Dr. Selina Koch, she is a pneumologist here at the hospital of Aruba. We have together some patients, and she did the polysomnography. Is a test that we do to measure the degree of sleep and the degree of snoring. And we find together that the patient with MARBI, they have a lot of progress. And all of them, they give up using the CPAP, which is a continuous pressure mask. And now they sleep much deeply with better breath, and they wake up much active. We decide to make the 26 only for a health professional, because I will talk also about the technique, how to use it, and how it works exactly, and then I will use a lot of technical terms. Maybe the general public do not understand this, and I specified the 27, the next day, it's for general public, where I will talk about the technique, but without using the technical words and the technical medical term that maybe general public do not understand it, and focusing more about how it works and the results.